Every year, after 60, something happens inside the body that most people never notice until it's too late. Bit by bit, your muscles begin to shrink. Doctors call it sarcopenia, but what it really means is that strength quietly slips away. Suddenly, climbing stairs feels harder. Carrying groceries feels heavier. Even standing up from a chair can feel like a workout. It's like a silent thief stealing independence, 1 pound of muscle at a time. But here's the shocking truth: this isn't just aging, and it's not something you're powerless against. Scientists have discovered a secret weapon, a simple daily change that can slow, even reverse muscle loss after 60. And the best part, it's not some expensive pill. It's not hours in the gym, it's something you already have in your kitchen. In this story, I'll reveal the hidden cause of muscle loss, the everyday foods that act like medicine for your muscles, and 3 powerful fixes you can start today to rebuild strength and energy. And if you stay with me until the end, you'll learn a tip almost no doctor talks about, but it can change how you feel in just weeks. So let's begin. Most people don't realize that after 60, the body loses up to 1% of muscle every single year. It may not sound like much, but over a decade, that's 10% gone. By the time many people reach 80, they've lost as much as half of the muscle they once had. Imagine cutting your strength in half. No wonder everyday life feels harder. This creeping weakness isn't just inconvenient. It's dangerous. Studies link sarcopenia to falls, fractures, hospitalizations, and even shorter lifespans. But here's where the story changes. Because while muscle loss seems like destiny, research shows it doesn't have to be. The key is protein. Not powders, not gimmicks, just real, high-quality protein. Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks your body uses to maintain and repair muscle. Without enough, your body simply can't hold on to strength. But with the right balance, even seniors, well into their 70s and 80s, can regain power. So what does this look like? Think of eggs, rich and complete in amino acids. Think of salmon, packed not just with protein but also omega-3 south that reduce inflammation in aging muscles. Think of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans, lentils. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're everyday foods that can fuel a stronger body. But here's where most seniors go wrong. Many eat almost no protein at breakfast or lunch, then load up at dinner. The body can't absorb it all at once. It's like trying to water a garden with a fire hose once a day instead of giving it steady nourishment. By spreading protein evenly across 3 meals, your muscles get a constant supply of what they need. That small shift alone can slow muscle loss dramatically. So how do you put this into practice without counting grams or obsessing over nutrition charts? Here are 3 fixes that work fast. The first is the power breakfast. Instead of starting the day with toast or cereal, add eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. Even a simple smoothie with berries and a scoop of protein powder can double the fuel your muscles receive. The second fix is your muscles respond to movement like a switch. You don't need heavy weights or a gym membership. Chair squats, resistance bands, light dumbbells, these movements tell your body, keep this muscle, we still need it. The third fix is vitamin D. Without it, your body can't fully use the protein you eat. A little morning sunshine or a small supplement unlocks protein's full potential. When you combine all 3 protein-rich meals, mini workouts, and vitamin D, the results are remarkable. Seniors following these steps cut muscle loss in half. Some even gain strength after 70. Imagine this: walking upstairs without needing to pause halfway. Picking up your grandchild without hesitation. Hiking a trail you thought was lost to you. Your body hasn't given up, it's waiting for the right signal. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. No fad diets, no extreme training, no miracle cures. Just small, consistent changes that feed your body what it was designed to thrive on. Now, here's the little-known tip I promised earlier. Researchers have found that the type of protein matters, but so does timing. Eating at least 20 to 30 grams at each meal is enough to trigger what's called muscle protein synthesis. In plain language, that's the process where your body flips the switch from breaking down muscle to building it back up. Miss this threshold, and your body won't start the repair process. Hit it, and you protect your strength every single day. This is why a single egg or a spoonful of yogurt isn't enough. But 2 eggs with Greek yogurt on the side? That's a breakfast your muscles can work with. Here's something else fascinating. Studies show that older adults who combine protein-rich meals with resistance exercise don't just slow down muscle loss. They often rebuild muscle mass. One study found that seniors in their 70s gained as much strength as people in their 40s when they followed this plan. That's the kind of evidence that should give every senior hope. So, what's the takeaway? Start tomorrow morning. Swap the toast for eggs. Add a handful of nuts to your yogurt. Do 10 chair squats while your coffee brews. Step outside for a little sunlight. These aren't just habits, they're signals to your body that you're not done. That strength still belongs to you. Because here's the truth. You're not powerless against aging. Your muscles aren't gone forever. With the right fuel and a little movement, they can come back. And when they do, they bring with them confidence, energy, independence, and years of life lived on your own terms. So don't wait until weakness slows you down. Start now. And if this message spoke to you, join our community. Subscribe for more health secrets that help seniors live stronger, longer, and better. Together, we'll make sure the best years are still ahead.